Tutorial designing a garden path using VBA ActiveX AutoCAD 2021. Defining the goal of the garden path. So the goal of this tutorial is to develop a new macro named garden path that draws a garden path and fills the path with circular concrete tiles. Overview. The macro prompts the user for the following information. It will start point and end point to specify the center line of the garden path, half width of the garden path, radius of the circular files, and spacing between the tiles. Note that the half width of the path is being used rather than the full width because it is easier to visualize the half width from the center line of the path. So prompt the sequence. After the new macro has been defined and is executed, it will present the user with the following prompt sequence. Specify start point of path, specify end point of path, specify half width of path, specify radius of tiles, specify spacing between tiles. And that's it for defining the goal of the garden path. Tutorial designing a garden path using VBA.